Yeezy stays making money before he goes tax-free, Patta hand over a hammer, and Jordan hit the filter with the French touch. Let's see what's dropping this week. What's good, everybody? It's Zach Hayes here with the weekly drop. This week, the Trefoil and Mr. Kardashian keep their money printing abilities at full capacity, putting the factories on overload, with Ye's 700 Tephra and 2 Synth Reflective iterations of his unstoppable 350 boost assaulting the planet, taking Yeezy gang as voluntary casualties of their unrelenting domination. The futuristic 700 strays from the vivid multicolor of previous releases to a polar opposite monochrome makeover, as the Tephra rolls with winter-ready earthy tones coloring the upper, running with forever classic gum sole. The Synth Reflective 350 runs in the same zone, hitting the knit upper with both reflective and untreated versions of the release. Same 350 time, same 350 channel. The 700 Tephra rolls out at Adidas Emporium in Westfield, Sydney, highs and lows, Sneakerboy Melbourne, and up there on the 15th. The 350 can hit feet on the 20th at Sneakerboy and highs and lows. Holland's very own Patta puts a nautical, but not nautical, but very luxe touch on the iconic Jordan VII, giving the classic silhouette a new look. The usual leather panels are swapped out for luxurious brown and pink nubuck, tying the combo together with hits of bull's red. Patta repping to the fullest with well-deserved obnoxious midsole branding. These had a minor release in May, but are now worldwide on the 15th at Nike. Jordan brand link with Parisian streetball tournament K54 for a friends and family 2-pack, bigging up the 2-day event with black and white episodes of the iconic retro. Lavish suede uppers play the background to the French themed pattern wrapping the uppers and insoles that send the piece into an early 90s realm that could low-key act as a kid and play house party cross colors anniversary release. Australia will cop these this week, so stay strapped with the Jordan VIII K54 dropping June 15th at Nike. And that's not everything on shelves this week. Sign up to the Weekly Drop newsletter at theweeklydropsneakers.com for even more sneaker release info. Hit the comments with your hammers for the week, and don't forget to like the Weekly Drop on Facebook and Instagram for daily sneaker updates. Good luck out there this week. Make sure you hit the subscribe button to catch the Weekly Drop every Thursday and to stay up to date with our Weekly Drop live interview series, The GOAT Show, and more.